American Trucks and Equipment, located at 406 North State Road 7, Hollywood, Florida 33021. We're going to go ahead and do a startup on our 2008 Ford F450 Altec AT200 bucket truck. It is a 35-foot working height, fleet maintained, does have a 6.8 liter V10, ice cold AC, ready to go to work. We offer financing, shipping, and export on this vehicle. You give Anthony Ruby a call at 954-706-0081. We are about 10 minutes located south of Fort Lauderdale International Airport. If you'd like to fly in and drive her home, we can issue you a temporary tag in-state and out-of-state for purchase. Go ahead and start her up. Does have a bench style seat. We're going to go ahead and demonstrate the boom. There's the PTO. This truck is located at American Trucks and Equipment, 406 North State Road 7, Hollywood, Florida 33021. We have over 35 bucket trucks in stock. Take a look at our website at www.americantrucksandequipment.com. We offer financing on every single bucket truck on property. We offer startups, 1099, Schedule C filing, or corporation LLC as well, financing. You can give Anthony a call at 954-706-0081. This is a demonstration on our 2008 Ford F450 Altec AT200 bucket truck. We do currently have 2 in stock ready to go. We have a couple more coming in stock as well.